안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a special dish, Souffle Omelet. Funny challenges are in fashion in Korea as people spend a lot of time at home and self-isolation because of the coronavirus. I think the most famous challenge is Dalgona coffee, made by stirring more than 400 times, and the other one is Souffle Omelet, made by stirring 1,000 times. Coronavirus makes us do something at home. This is not a Korean traditional dish at all. I thought this recipe was already on cookbook or YouTube a few years ago, but it's back in fashion in Korea and I thought it would be fun to show you how to make it. Okay, then let's set the table. Ingredients are very simple. 2 eggs and sugar, salt, and butter. That's it. And your strong arm. First, separate the whites from the egg yolks. Season the egg yolks with a pinch of salt and stir it. Okay, that's it. Next, egg white time. Let's do it. Oh, it's foaming. Look at this. Then add sugar and keep stirring until it's to be creamy consistency. Okay, I'm okay so far. I'm okay. Okay. My arm hurts. I think it's done. Okay, then add yolk on it. So beautiful. And stir gently like folding it. Turn on the low heat and spread butter on it. When the butter is melting, put the egg mixture. Make a space between the egg mixture and the pan. And make a line in the center and fold it. Oh my God. Oh, I think I messed up. Okay, I can handle it. Don't give up, Ginny. Don't give up. Anyway, I made it. and move them to plate. Serve with honey or ketchup if you want. Oh my god, this is so fluffy. Can you hear this sound? A little bit messed up when I fold it, but anyway, the smell is so good and I wonder how it tastes. Okay, let me try. It sounds like walking on the snow. Ooh. It's less eggy than I thought. It's very soft and light. And I've never experienced this texture before. It's like a sponge. And I feel like I'm eating a cloud on the sky. It's very funny. I'm done. I think this is not cooking, it's almost torture. However, if you are looking for some funny challenge that you will do at your home, then I recommend it. It's tasty, and especially the texture was very interesting, so I think it's worth it. And please, please, please prepare your strong arms when you make this. Okay, see you next time. Bye. 안녕.